Hello and welcome to a new video of Rome Actually and RomeActually.com. Today we are giving you practical tips on what to wear in Rome in summer. I will show you a few outfits that I wear to go out in Rome that they can adapt to many different situations, starting from this one. This is a perfect outfit for Rome in summer because it's a light dress, cotton. I wear it with the sandals because they are open, so they are fresh, but they are also very comfortable because they are soft and they are comfortable to walk. The only thing you need to keep in mind, obviously, if you are entering a church, this one is sleeveless, so you can wear a shawl on top. The length, let's say for a church, it's so. Probably in the Vatican they will stop you because it's right in the knee, and in the Vatican it's better to be below the knee. So I'm wearing this today because I'm walking around the city center, but I'm not planning to enter churches. I need to go other places, so this one is fine everywhere. If you're planning, ideally, when you come to Rome, you will have an itinerary, and so you will know where you go. The risk in Rome is that there are beautiful churches everywhere, so even if they're not in your itinerary, you walk and you want to enter. But like, for example, for the evening, this one is perfect to go out for dinner or have a walk. It's perfect everywhere except churches, maybe. This is another one of the best outfits for Rome in summer. This is what I usually wear, like my eternal sneakers. I have sneakers for winter, for summer, for any season because they are just, for me, the most comfortable. So a skirt, it's not short, it's middle length, Midi. So it's not short and it's not too long, so I don't stumble on it, and it's not too short, so I can also use it if I want to enter a church. Then a t-shirt, because it's here, the shoulders are covered, so I can enter a church, and it's a summer t-shirt. So this one, it's perfect. Today we are on a day trip close to Rome in the Bolsena Lake, and I'm also like this because it's great for walking. Also, this length of skirt, it's perfect because if it's a little bit windy like it is today, it doesn't lift up the skirt. So it's, for me, this is one of my favorite. I have many skirts like this length, because it's really one of my favorite outfits for summer in Rome. Approved. Finally, this is another outfit that it's perfect for Rome in summer. Light trousers, very light, cotton, very light. This is another pair of sneakers that I often use in summer. They are very light, breathable, and they have a little bit of support because they are not super flat. And a very loose t-shirt because it's very hot, and this makes you breathe better. This outfit is also perfect to enter the church because obviously you are in trousers and the shoulders are covered, so you are covered to enter anything. If you want to wear this during the day, you don't need to modify anything if you want to enter a church.
Now let's talk about what to wear for men in summer. You could wear shorts, pants, short shirts, t-shirts like I have. If you're entering churches, the same rules that apply to women apply to men as well. You need to cover your shoulders and the shorts below the knees. Today I'm not entering churches, but still I'm wearing the lining pants, very comfortable and fresh. The same goes for the shirt, and a hat, because I don't like to wear sunglasses, and also I'm bald. I don't like to use sun lotion. And this bag helps a lot, especially protects all my belongings, including my camera, my phone, and wallet. Especially if you're visiting big cities in Italy like Rome and the crowded places, it's good to keep all your valuable belongings close and in a place where no one can reach. That's about it. It's important to be comfortable.
Make sure you check out our other videos of tips to travel to Rome, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Ciao for now.